Hi guys, it's Ian from Signal Centre. It is Monday the 18th of November 2019. In this video I'm going to discuss the FX Majors plus the dollar index, basically highlighting chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and where I believe the FX Majors are going to be going this week. So as always, I'm going to start off with the dollar index. This is the monthly chart. We can see that in October we posted this very bearish candle. Now that candle there is known as a bearish outside candle. On a monthly chart it's actually known as an acute monthly reversal candle formation. Now I just want to highlight this so we can see there that this level was previous resistance. Okay, so it broke through that level, it then came back through the level, and then obviously what was resistance then became resistance again. So the bearish outside candle, although we did have a move to the upside, the Marabuzzo level and that previous swing high has held back buying interest. If we go to shorter time frames, go to this one, this is the daily chart. This could be seen as a possible wedge pattern. So move my face out of the way. Okay, so we've broken the wedge to the downside. We've had an impulse move lower. Although it was quite an impulsive move to the upside, like I said, prices have been rejected. Now, that basically highlights to me now that the dollar index is bearish and that we should be selling into dollar strength. So let's go to euro dollar and find out what's going on that chart. And again, going to flick through time frames, not going to concentrate too much on these larger time frames. A bullish outside candle, that's obviously reverse of that bearish outside candle that we saw on the dollar index. The dip low has been bought into. If we go to this chart, and again this is the daily chart, we've got another bullish outside candle. So impulse move to the upside, choppy move lower, 61.8% fib level, attracting buying interest. Another bullish outside candle, then we've moved to the upside. Now euro dollar is looking a little bit overbought on the daily time frame. We go here, you can see this is the 60-minute chart. So if we're looking at Elliott wave, wave 1, small wave 2, 3, 4, are we coming up towards the 5th wave? So although we're bullish in euro dollar now over the long term, and obviously bearish on the dollar index as we said, there's ample scope for a move lower. 110.30, I've got some prime support level today. Sterling dollar, and again let's have a look at those powerful candles that we talked about. This is a bullish outside month, bullish outside week. As far as I'm concerned, the corrective wave finished quite some time ago, and then we've had basically 4 weeks of pretty mixed and volatile trading. That in turn, let's go to this chart. Let's make this bigger. Made a corrective channel formation, could even have been seen as a possible triangle pattern. It's broken to the upside. This was the prime support level that we're looking for, which was just above 127. The figure, we didn't get that. We've now broken to the upside. There's no clear indication that this move higher in sterling dollar is coming to an end. We've got some confluence areas up here around about 135 and 136. So again, looking to buy dips. One thing I should say is 130.12 is a bit of topside resistance, so we're not going to be buying at the market. And again, just looking at buying into dollar strength or sterling weakness in this one. If we go to dollar Swiss, pretty mixed volatile charts really. And the monthly charts, you can see spikes in both directions. The weekly charts are virtually inside weeks or inside Arami candles, which highlight indecision. But if we go to this chart again, the weekly chart, let's just drop that off. It's another wedge formation. This is the prime short entry, but I don't think there's a cat and mouse chance of getting there now. That's at 101.28, so above the psychological one big figure, but it's a previous swing high, and it's a 78.6% fib level. Like I said, I think there's, even if we get mild moves to the upside, I think they're going to be limited, and the dollar bias is going to take over that move lower. Dollar yen, I've been short of this on a personal basis for a while now. Actually, rollover is starting to cost, but we've got this wedge formation that we've broken out of, or trying to break out of, and I still think the main move is going to be down here on a short-term basis. And this is a daily basis. We've got some resistance located at 109.25 this week, so we're still looking for a move to the downside. Dollar CAD, and again, prime short entries are up here, but we've seen on the daily chart what looks like an evening doji star pattern. That's the free candle pattern. That normally highlights the top of a trend and the start of a new downward bias. We're sort of in no man's land as far as this chart was concerned, and we're actually looking at selling at 133.55 on a longer term basis. So on this short term chart, and again this is just a day trade, we're looking at getting short near that swing high around about 132.50 and focusing on 131.35. Aussie dollar, and again we are long in Aussie dollar today, 68.12 we've got long. Monthly chart, bullish outside candle, we've talked about those numerous times. We've got an insider army candle on the daily chart, investor indecision, but what I do like here is what we've got lined up. So a lot of the commodity currencies will run to the 423.6% fib, along with a lot of commodities, so i.e. Oil, gold, copper, etc. have a tendency to extend past the 261.8% Fibonacci level. So what we've got here is wave 1, wave 2, very small corrective fourth wave as far as I'm concerned. I think we're going to run all the way up here to 423.6%, which is around about 68.92. Euro sterling, there's no real stopping this sterling strength. I do now think that it's going to be short-lived. We've got wave 1, wave 2, and then we've got this confluence area, 84.72 and 84.50. It's previous swing low and a 161.8% fib level. So a bit late to join this trend, and I think we'll probably be better off trying to get short on any potential bounce over the next couple of weeks. But really for me at the moment, Euro sterling doesn't really hold much value. What I do like here, this is Euro yen, it's the daily chart. I think we're going to move choppy higher towards 122.40, but again, do you want to sort of be buying at the market? I don't think so. We're actually trying to buy dips today. This is a previous swing high, 120.64. You got a fib level there at 120.71. So similar to euro dollar, we want to be buying into dips in euro weakness as opposed to just buying blindly at the market. 120.71 is a Fibonacci extension level. We've got some support located down here around about 120.05 today. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video report. We'll be back again soon with some more. Many thanks.